Assalamualaikum, Minister Sولنگی. It's Mubin Azhar from the BBC. I've been trying to get a hold of you for a few days now.
I've been busy.
I'm sure you've been very, very busy. I want to ask you about press freedom in Pakistan. Are you worried about the states interfering with journalists?
If you want to force me for an interview,
I'm not forcing you. As you know, we've been corresponding for many days now.
I understand, but we have serious trust deficit with the BBC because they have violated.
I can assure you, your interview will be treated fairly and accurately. Do you think the military is putting pressure on journalists in Pakistan? I want to show you this picture of a journalist who says he was beaten by someone from the intelligence service. Could you please
not act like a paparazzi?
I'm asking you, when you look at this,
act like a BBC journalist.
Please don't grab my phone. I'm asking you, when you see an image like that, and this individual says that he was.
I do not answer your question.
So why did you agree to an interview and then pull out?
Did I give you a time?
Yes, you did. 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Yes, you did. 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Thank you, Minister. It's quite a strange situation when the Minister for Information and